For complex parts machining, the CC Machinery CY2 delivers true mill turn efficiency, completing your complex parts in a single setup. With its double Y-axis, B-axis machining and 18 live tools, this machine is the perfect choice for small batch, complex components turning. Y-axis capability gives you much faster cross-side milling and tool changing options. But most machines force you to share this capability between the front and back spindles. The double Y-axis CY2 design means you can cut with equal efficiency on the front spindle and back spindles, dramatically reducing your cycle times. Contour milling in 5 axes on the CY2 delivers the real mill turn concept. You get your complex small batch components done in one. Clear benefits for your shop are that you eliminate the accuracy issues associated with rechucking and setup. This means you save time and streamline your workflow. This B-axis functionality is perfect for medical and aerospace components, where high complexity and small volume are key parameters. The highest accuracy B-axis on the market, the CY2 delivers indexing accuracy up to 1/1000th of a degree. This capability, coupled with the 360-degree axis positioning, allows you to deliver some of the most complex parts machining around in one cycle. And best of all, the B-axis is shareable between the main and sub spindles. Live tooling is the key to your versatility and productivity, and the CY2 delivers 18 live tools to maximize your machining options. The large number of available tools not only lets you complete a job in one setup, but also gives you the ability to process multiple complex components without the need to change tools. This increases your productivity time and reduces the need for specialized operators to be available for setups, easing your scheduling. Flatbed design with front and rear gang tool holders removes the space and interference issues that slant bed designs can have with smaller complex parts machining. The full 360-degree B-axis rotation provides maximum machining versatility, combined with 12 live tools to easily handle complex contouring or angle drilling operations. CC Machinery delivers 2 full-size spindles on the CY2. Unlike other manufacturers who downsize the sub-spindle to save costs, the CY2 features 2 spindles of the same size to deliver powerful and efficient cutting on both the front and back of the workpiece. For high-efficiency complex components machining, this new CY2 mill-turn lathe from CC Machinery really delivers. With its advanced B-axis and double Y-axis cutting, this machine will increase your workshop productivity and expand your machining capabilities.